Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to run influencer marketing on autopilot with Stormy.ai. We're going to jump right into it and I'm going to show you how this works seamlessly, and I'm going to show you how to do influencer marketing the right way. And if you have an e-commerce store, it doesn't matter if you're on Shopify or WooCommerce or your own platform or selling on social media, you need to have influencer marketing. It's a must-have. It's a great way to reach your targeted customers. It's a great way to reach your perfect customers. Basically, when we find influencers that reach our perfect customers and our target demographic, they're a great match to do influencer marketing with. And a really popular strategy is to set up your influencer marketing with Stormy.ai and have their AI agent basically do everything. They do it all, from finding the perfect influencers to even closing deals and so much more in between. I'm going to go over the shoulder and show you really all about some of the core features that you get with Stormy.ai. Number one, those AI agents that are basically working on your behalf 24/7. Automatically, they're going to find relevant creators and influencers that reach your perfect customers. And it's not just about finding them, right? They're going to go ahead and these AI agents will automatically send personalized outreach to the different creators. They'll even go down and negotiate the deals, making sure that you're getting the best price and having everything set up correctly. There's multi-platform search. You're going to be able to discover creators across all of the important and popular social networks like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, even things like email newsletters and podcasts. A lot of different ways that you can reach your customers with influencers, a lot of different platforms. When you use Stormy.ai, you're going to be able to leverage all of the different popular platforms out there. And there's one unified dashboard to showcase everything. You'll be able to manage all of your influencers. You'll be able to track conversations. You'll be able to track the progress in terms of what's happening with your campaigns and see all of your stats and campaign performance in one tool. Stormy.ai, super powerful. And when you use Stormy.ai, and tons of people and tons of stores are using them, they're seeing tons of time being saved because this is all happening with those automated AI agents. You're going to be able to boost efficiency, and really most importantly, you're going to be able to scale profitable influencer marketing effortlessly. It's all going to be done with AI. And if you want to do it the right way, you need to use Stormy. You see Stormy.ai in the link directly below this video. It's highly, highly recommended. We're going to go over the shoulder. You could literally just follow along step by step. I'm going to show you how to use Stormy.ai to the kind of fullest of its capabilities and how it's going to be able to help you no matter what you're selling. Any type of e-com store is going to benefit from this. And you see over here, Stormy.ai, literally going to allow you to just search for the perfect influencer and prompt the AI to do all of the hard work, all the research, all the searching, all the vetting. And again, even when they find great ones, they're going to negotiate deals, close the deals, get everything set up correctly. It all happens with AI. And you could search for YouTube channels, you could search for TikTok creators, you could search for podcasts, or you could just search across all of the different social networks. All you need to do is just describe what you're looking for. It's super powerful, it's super easy to use, and it's AI search over influencers where you're going to be able to find perfect creators with natural language. You literally just type it right in to the AI over here. Agent negotiates all of the deals for you. It's literally done for you, fully automated, and you'll be able to find influencers while you sleep. It's super, super powerful, a really powerful agent here that's pretty much doing all of the hard work when it comes to influencer marketing. You'll also be able to manage and track everything right over here, and it's all about going text to influencer, right? Maybe you want fitness bloggers from the US, or maybe you want tech AI, right? All these different ways, and you see the different pricing options over here. You'll be able to save a bit too when you pick the yearly plans. But I want to show you this in action. We could literally just type in anything we want right here, but I'm going to show you inside my account. All you need to do is press the Get Started button on the top right. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted with a little bit of an onboarding. Once you sign up, you'll be prompted to enter in your website URL. You could also describe it manually if you want. Go over here and say, I'm a brand, I market my own products and services, typical for an e-com store. And the AI is going to analyze the brand, and it's going to see Animal Lovers Co. It's the name of my brand, and see that it's products for animal enthusiasts, pet owners, and emphasis on cats and dogs. So it kind of figured that out. You see it's got key features and all this stuff. Basically, the AI just learns about your brand so we can make good recommendations in terms of who to find. And it's going to suggest exactly where our audience is. So we could focus on different networks and, saying YouTube pet accessories, YouTube dog training tips, TikTok cat lovers. We could add more as well, like pet owner lifestyle, and you could even add your own if you want. So again, it's kind of just doing all the hard work for you, basically figuring out where they're going to be and what networks they're going to be at and how to reach them. Well, the AI agent can kind of do all that for you. You see over here, they're creating this reach out via DM or via email over here, basically saying that they represent our brand, they being the the AI agent, and basically the start of negotiation, kind of reaching out to all these people. This is things that used to take you a ton of time. You have to do yourself, copy and paste, DM all these people, or pay someone to do it. It happens automatically here when you use Stormy. And basically what's going to happen is the AI will close the deal and launch the campaign. They'll figure out payment terms, they'll figure out the rates, they'll figure out posting dates, defining deliverables and guidelines, and of course you can go in there and finalize negotiations and price, but Stormy makes it incredibly easy for you to get to that point and create everything seamlessly. So we're going to go over here and click Complete Setup, and this is going to bring us now into our dashboard. And we're going to come over here and it's going to auto-populate creators who review or feature pet products and accessories for cats and dogs. And we could select different platforms over here. We'll go with YouTube, and you could have different follower result criteria. Let's say you only want to see people, 15,000 to 500,000, right? Totally up to you. You can get different results over here as well. And we're going to click Continue. And right now, basically what's happening is we're going to have different criteria being added by the AI, and we could change this if we don't want them to be, or we only want them to be in US or something like that. We're going to go with this and see what comes up with. You see YouTube's search started automatically. The agent's out there going ahead and looking at our search parameters and going through the different influencers that are available and that are kind of potential matches. Remember, the point of influencer marketing is that we want to reach the people that the influencers reach, and we want them to be an exact match to the products and the niche that we sell. So obviously animals and cats and dogs, we need to find creators and influencers that reach people that love cats and dogs. And what's happening in the background right now is Stormy is doing exactly that. Just like that, Stormy found a ton of matches over here on our YouTube search for people that are perfect for our animal lover store. And you see some of the different channels over here. You could literally just click on any of them. It's going to bring you right over to their YouTube channel, and you could learn more about them. But really what I love to see at quick glance, you see their number of subscribers, their recent videos, but really also super important over here, they sort the ones that do reviews for pet products and accessories, right? Especially this exactly matches our store. Of course, Stormy knows that. It's part of our criteria here. And it sorts the ones that have done product reviews in the past. So you know that these people are definitely already open to doing deals. They might already have a good setup in terms of being able to create content quickly. So kind of top of the list in terms of ones that you'll want to reach out to. And it's really, really easy. You just basically do different searches on different channels. For example, I showed YouTube search, but of course we could change our criteria at any time. We can take a look at another channel. How about the same type of search over here, but we go for TikTok this time? Or we could even try a podcast, of course, but I'm going to go with TikTok in this case. And you see some examples of popular searches that other people on Stormy are using, but we're going to go over here again. You can change this if you want to change the countries or whatever, change average views, change language, etc. But we're just going to search with this type of criteria, and just like it did before, it's going to find great creators, this time on TikTok. Over here under Agent, we're going to be able to build our first AI agent over here to work with Stormy and influencer marketing. We're going to click Create Your First AI Agent, and you're simply going to enter in information about your product and your brand. So we'll go ahead and put in our URL. You could also describe your perfect influencer, but you're going to see that AI is going to do all the hard work here for us. It's going to start to describe and kind of give the different information that Stormy needs to go ahead and find the perfect influencer. So we're going to generate these. You see we could have some general filters here as well, but you see the AI topics. This is what the AI does for us, really kind of eliminates any need for us to do any brainstorming. It's going to do it for us. So we're going to be able to check off the ones that make sense for us, and I like that. And I'm going to go with this one as well. And yeah, there you go. So we have some good ones here. Actually, we'll add this one as well. We could add our own topics if we want. We could have different search parameters. You want to go after really big brands. You want to go after small micro influencers, small to mid, wide range, right? Really up to you in terms of the different sizing that you want to go to. You see the filtering is right over here. So totally up to you in terms of how you want to reach your different potential influencers. We've got our social platform search over here. Of course, YouTube could be one, TikTok could be another, Instagram, right? Where are we going to be asking for content? Where do we want it posted? What type of content, right? We're going to go with TikTok short videos. Go to continue templates here. basically just creating outreach templates. And we have over here our simple sequence. You can get really creative and have multiple email or multiple message sequence over here. But we're going to go into launch now. And you see all of the configurations basically reviewing over here. We have our general filter about being in the US and have average views over 4K. These different topics, which are AI generated. This is our audience size that we put in here, and we want to run 20 influencers a week. We could change all that, but you're going to see this is the estimates that the AI agent, this is the work that they estimate that the AI agent is going to do for us right inside of Stormy. So we'll come over here and we'll click launch subscription, and this is going to be where they prompt you to go ahead and upgrade your plan. Pick one of the plans over here. Highly recommend going with the starter plan. You can go ahead and set up all your information right there. Best part is you'll be able to manage everything right inside of Stormy. You have your inbox over here where you're going to literally see all of the conversations between potential influencers, and you can manage all your influencers here. You could segment them into lists. You could exclude different things. You could track posts. It all happens right inside of the back end. Super, super easy to use. And that was Stormy. Highly, highly recommended. When you use Stormy, you literally have influencer marketing on autopilot. It's highly recommended. I use it myself. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to leave a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make a ton of money with influencer marketing, and I'll see you in my next video.